Okay, here's all the creepy, nasty crud that was on these chairs. Ew. As you can see, this paint scraper stuff makes everything a lot easier. But you do have to leave it on long enough to let it do its job, or you gotta go back and do it again. So it just comes off real easy. And this is a whole lot easier than scrubbing by hand, trying to get those first layers of garbage off. And ew. Ew. So much ew. But it's coming off. Then I'm gonna use some steel wool, scrub these down with some bleach, and they're gonna look party, party, party. I've got to bring my tripod because it's kind of hard for me to do this and show you doing it, but the paint stripper in a can works really, really well. So, okay, more work, more work, more work, but it's getting done. Making progress. So let me get this chair up a little bit. Thank goodness for Shabby Chic. Look at that. That's just nasty. That's been on there forever. Forever and a day, nasty.